It's recording? It's fucking 7:30 in the morning. Neil fucking woke me up because he's a fucking douche. It's New Year's Day. And alright. Do you hear that snoring? It's recording. See,